For individuals with extraordinary abilities and talents, U.S. immigration laws provide two unique pathways to live and work in the United States: the O-1 non-immigrant visa and the EB-1A immigrant visa. The O-1 visa allows individuals who possess extraordinary abilities or achievements in various fields, including business, science, education, arts, athletics, and more, to temporarily work and engage in activities related to their expertise in the United States. To qualify for an O-1 visa, applicants must demonstrate their accomplishments in their respective fields through a range of evidence, such as awards, accolades, media recognition, published works, exhibitions, or significant contributions. A job offer or engagement from a U.S. employer or organization is also required, as the O-1 visa is tied to specific employment or project opportunities. As opposed to the temporary nature of the O-1 non-immigrant visa, the EB-1A immigrant visa provides a pathway to lawful permanent residence in the U.S. for individuals with extraordinary abilities without requiring a specific job offer or employment sponsorship. To be eligible for the EB-1A immigrant visa, applicants not only have to provide substantial evidence of their significant contributions or achievements, but also a history of sustained national or international acclaim in their field. The choice between the O-1 visa and the EB-1A immigrant visa hinges on an individual's aspirations, circumstances, and the recognition they've garnered in their field. Consulting with immigration professionals to navigate the intricacies of these options is critical to ensure your exceptional abilities are presented comprehensively and persuasively, and pave the way for your successful journey to the United States.